I'm gonna be doing a bike check. It's I got a 2012 Verde Eon frame. I'm still holding up. I actually got like a little dent. I'm gonna start from the front. I got some, I forgot what bars it is, and then I got my animal stem. I got some stock. They're not just black spacers. I got a salt headset right there. You can see it. I'm trying focusing it. I got my stickers, Vans, One Industry, Fox, Monster. I got stock forks from Verde. I got my front tire is a 2.25 Animal and sealed alienation rim. I got a DK combo seat, actually pretty stiff. It's not that bad. I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in black. My stock cranks from Alloy Cranks. I got a 23 2 sprocket, Ezra sprocket with a KMC half link chain silver. Alright, the rear, I got another alienation rim. It's CO2 and with the Odyssey 2.35 tire. I'll do a sound check. It's not that loud, even though I degreased it. Hold up. It's not even loud. Right now I got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain in black and a red stolen 25-2 sprocket. I mean, it's kind of scratched up and stuff, but still it's really light. And I got some other parts. Just hold up. The sprocket and the chain were for sale. Sprocket, just give me like $10. Same for the chain. I got an Odyssey 2.10 tire. Actually, pretty good grip. Two almost brand new Kenda tires. Not Kenda, not even Kenda. 2.30 tires. I got those also more brand new. I got the stock rear rim. Front rim from Verde. It's pretty cricket. The axle. Not sure how that happened. Still really good with. It's a Fit Byco 2.25 tire. I have my stock Verde rim on the rear tire. Rear rim, not sealed. Actually, not that bad. It sounds pretty good. Pretty good sound to it. Degreased it like 3 times, but it's not sealed. I got some not unknown cranks. Not sure what they are. They're 10 spline. Some Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Pretty dirty and wore down from the top. Then I got some salt forks. Not that bad. Just have minor scratches, no bends. And I got all the extra stuff that were there. Salt stem. Just say I'm selling this for $10-15. For those two, I'll give them to you for $65 or better offer. And I got my stock Verde bars, kind of sticker bomb with my stickers I just put on there. With duo grips, pretty good still. Got a lot of grip on them. And Barnes, 2 duo bars. And the bike, this is actually pretty light. It's 8.1 rise, selling them for $35 or better offer. And that's pretty much it. subscribe to me, and I'll subscribe back. Thank you.